One of the biggest advantages of SMB Booster is that you don't have to be sat at your desk to run your business. The mobile app gives you access to many of the same features you'll find on your computer, allowing you to stay connected wherever you are. Using the app, you can view new leads, read and reply to customer messages, manage your CRM, check your calendar, receive notifications, update opportunities, and keep track of your business while you're out on the road. For many local businesses, this means you can respond to inquiries much faster, helping you deliver a better customer experience and reducing the chance of missing potential work. If you haven't already downloaded the app, simply click the link on your dashboard or search for Lead Connector in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app and log in using the same email address and password you use for SMB Booster account. Once you're signed in, you'll have your business in your pocket ready whenever you need it.